In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards using templates in Canva. If you want a clean, professional dashboard without starting from a blank page, Canva's templates make the process fast and approachable, even if design isn't your day job. Start on the main Canva dashboard, where you land after opening Canva. From here, look for the Templates section. This is your gateway to pre-designed layouts created by professionals. Click Templates, and you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Dashboards and confirm your search. Canva will load a gallery of dashboard designs tailored for different needs: project tracking, social media analytics, marketing performance, team updates, and more. Take a moment to browse. Scroll through the results and pay attention to style, color, and layout density. Some dashboards are clean and minimal, others are more data-heavy. If you see a crown icon, that indicates a pro design, while many others are free to use. When something catches your eye, click it to open the preview page. This preview is helpful because it shows multiple pages if the template includes them, along with a description that explains the intended use. You can flip through pages, check the typography, and make sure the layout matches the kind of information you plan to display. Once you've found a template that fits your purpose, click Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor, where you can tailor everything to your content. Replace placeholder text with your own labels, metrics, and headings. Update numbers and descriptions to reflect your data. If you have brand guidelines, swap in your brand colors and fonts so the dashboard feels consistent with your other materials. You can adjust the size and placement of charts, icons, and text boxes by clicking and dragging, and you can duplicate sections that you need more of or delete ones you don't. If the template includes sample graphics, feel free to replace them with icons or elements that better represent your categories. Simple tweaks like aligning items and keeping consistent spacing will make your final dashboard look polished and easy to read. As you work, Canva saves your changes automatically, so you can take your time refining details. That's really all there is to it. Start from the main dashboard, open templates, search dashboards, preview your options, customize the one you like, and make it your own. With these steps, you can create a clear, visually engaging dashboard quickly and confidently.